what am I, and my ultimate cause, and what is this world. To know this mutual relation, God, soul and the world. He performed penance for thousands of years. He couldn't understand. And you'll find in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Kaviraj Goswami has written, 19th chapter of Madhurya. Vrindavaniyang Rashagali Bhartang Kalenulupta Nija Shakti Mukta Sanchar Durbepatanat Punasha Prabhu with the Pragiva Loka System. His own writing, Kaviraj Goswami. Vrindavaniyang Rashagali Bhartang Kalenulupta Nija Shakti Mukta. The esoteric, most delicious, delightful pastimes of Radha Krishna disappeared before the advent of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There was no Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda disappeared, Sampunda disappeared, everything disappeared. Vrindavani Rasakali Bhartang Kalin Lupta Srijasuk. In course of time, our Param Puja Swami Maharaj written, the disciplic channel, this knowledge lost, disappeared, not visible, invisible, disappeared. Then that knowledge was again, that is infused to Rupa Goswami by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, who has taken the form and body worship of Radharani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has infused, transfused that in the heart of Rupa Goswami. And again, he revived all these disappeared places of Krishna Lila pastimes through, and all the esoteric pastimes, the inner meaning of it, through Rupa Goswami. Prabhu, the Pragiva Loka system, one illustration is given. When Brahma first was born from the navel of Vishnu, Brahma tried his utmost to know, who am I, what am I. Brahma, span of life, how much? We have got this kind of vanity, we can do everything, our human being, we can do everything. But Brahma, who has created us, what is his span of life? Or what is our span of life? Not more than 100 years. Before that we die. In reality we found 2-3 persons who can have more than 100 years.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare.